Okay, yesterday I have explained 17th problem and short answer to sums. Today I will explain important problem, 19th problem. Page number E34. The following is the receipts and payments account of Healthcare Hospital for the year ended on 31st March 2009. Receipts, payments, balance brought down, subscriptions, donations, charity show, payments, paid for medicines, salaries, sundry expenses, equipment, charity show, honorarium, balance carried down. Additional information. Particulars as on 1/4/2008, 31st March 2009. Subscription due, stock of medicines, value of equipment, value of buildings, donations are to be capitalized. Prepare income and expense account for the year on 31st March 2009 and also show balance sheet as on that date. Okay, very important problem. Here we have to prepare the income and expense account, opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet. So take first income and expense account. 19th problem, page number E34. Income and expenditure account. Expenditure amount, income amount. So first one, subscriptions. By subscriptions 4560. See here, subscription due last year amount. Last year outstanding 100 rupees. 4460 and 200 rupees this year. Add current year outstanding 200 rupees. 4660. That's 4660. Next, donations capitalized is mentioned in the problem. Donations are to be capitalized, that's why don't take donations. Charity show by charity show 800 rupees. Come to expense side, paid for medicines. So first, 2 medicines, right? Opening stock. See, stock of medicines 800. Opening medicines. Add purchase. Every time add purchases. Purchase of medicines 2400. Total 3200 medicines should be there at the end of the period, but at the end of the period 600 only is there, so nothing but closing stock 600. 2600 medicines during the year we use it. So like that you have to find, take opening stock, add purchase, less closing stock, you can get the medicines used. Salaries, 2 salaries. Salaries 2200. Any adjustments? Nothing. 2200 rupees. Sundry expenses. Sundry expenses 40 rupees. equipment, right? To depreciation on equipment. Again, take opening stock. See the paragraph. Opening stock of value of equipment 1600. Opening stock 1600. Add purchase. Purchase of equipment payment side 1200. Total 2800. Less closing stock. Same way, medicines like closing stock 2100. 700 rupees depreciation. Next one, charity show. Charity show expenses, this is 80 rupees. Next, honorarium. So I will write here 2 honorarium 800 rupees. Now value of building, first year 8000, second year 7200, nothing but depreciation. To depreciation on building 8000 minus 7200, 800 rupees depreciation. Like that you have to find. That's all. By deficit, first find this total. Zero, 8 plus 4, 12, 1, 16, 1, 17, 17, 24, 24, 30, 32, 3, 3, 7, 3 plus 4, 7, 7220. 7220 minus 60, 8 plus 6, 14, 5, 6, 11 minus 4, 7, 1760. Okay. So that is deficit balance amount of 1760. Now opening balance sheet. There is no capital amount. That's why write opening balance sheet. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. First, balance brought down, that is cash in hand. Cash in hand 560 rupees. Starting early. Subscription due. Subscription due 100 rupees. These are all opening balance. Stock of medicines. Stock of medicines 800 rupees. Equipment Value of equipment. Value of equipment 1600. Value of building. Value of building 8,000 rupees. That's all. Capital 60. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 1 15 plus 5 20. 11. 11060. 7060. Now closing balance sheet. Okay. Closing balance sheet. Liabilities amount, assets amount. First take capital. Capital amount 11060 less deficit 1760. Deficit we got 00 10 minus 7 3 10 minus 1 9 9300. Now liabilities donations 1160. That's all. Come to asset side. Cash in hand. Cash in hand closing balance 360. Now subscription due. Now write second line amounts 200. Stock of medicines. Stock of medicines second line amount 600. Value of equipment. Value of equipment 2100. Value of building. Value of building 7200. That's all. Answer 10,460. 10,460. Here 60, 5, 11. Okay, correct. 10,460. Correct. Tally it. So like that, you have to do this problem, very important problem, and the same way you can do 20th problem. I will explain 21st problem. Okay, 21st problem I will explain. See here, a summary of receipts and payments account of Sri Sai Shiva Hospital for the year ended on 31st March 98 is given below. Balance, subscriptions, interest on investments at the rate of 7% per annum 280, donations, charity show proceeds, payment for medicines, salaries, sundry expenses, purchase of equipment, charity show expenses, honorarium to director, balance. Additional information, particulars, opening, closing, subscription due, subscription received in advance, stock of medicines, amount due to medicine supplier, value of equipment, value of building. Donations are to be capitalized. Prepare income and expense account for the year ended 31st March and 1998 and balance sheet as on that date. Okay, same problem, but 2-3 amounts has given more. Okay, right, income and expense account. This is 21st problem, page number E35. Same subscriptions, 2000 rupees take here. Say last year due, subscription due, last year outstanding 20 rupees, 20 minus 1980. Again 40 rupees current year outstanding 40 rupees, 20. Again subscription received in advance, 40 rupees. Last year received in advance nothing, but it belong to this year. So add received in advance in last year. How much that amount of 40 rupees, 2060 minus current year advance, but this belong to next year. So minus received in advance in current year, that is 20 rupees, 2040, like that. Received in advance last year nothing, but it belongs to current year. Add received in advance in current year, it belongs to next year, minus. So 2040 subscriptions. Next, interest on investments. By interest on investments, 280 rupees. Donations don't take, that is capitalized. Charity show proceeds. Charity show proceeds, 400 rupees. Next, payment from medicines. So right here, 2 medicines. Right underline. Opening stock. See, stock of medicines 400. Add purchase payments 1200, total 1600, less closing stock, medicines 600, stock of medicines, okay, closing stock 600, 1000. Again see, amount due to medicine supplier, nothing but they purchased on credit basis. So last year 320, current year 480. So less last year creditors 320, 80, 680. Add current year creditors 480, 60, 1160. Okay, say medicines opening stock 400, purchase 200, total should be 1600, but at closing at the time of at the 31st December, closing stock only 600, nothing but 1000 medicines used. Again current year last year creditors, we purchased in last year on credit basis, that amount 320, this belongs to last year, so minus. And this year also we purchased on credit basis, so that is called creditors, current creditors, 480. So total 1160. This is important point. Next, salaries. Salaries, salaries 1100 rupees. Sundry expenses sundry expenses 20 rupees. Purchase of equipment same. Depreciation on equipment. Opening stock of here value of equipment opening stock 840. Add purchase of equipment 600. 1440 less closing stock of equipment 1200. So only 240 rupees depreciation. So like that you have to find. Next, chart to show expenses. Charity show expenses 40 rupees. Next to honorarium to director. Honorarium to director 400. Balance. Now see here, value of building first is 1600, second is 1520. Nothing but that is depreciation. To depreciation on building 1600 minus 1520 80 rupees. Okay. Now find the answer. Deficit value, balancing amount, total amount 80 0 8 plus 4 12 16 18 24 2 plus 4 6 6 plus 2 8 8 plus 2 10 1 3 3040 3040 minus 8 plus 4 20 1 5 7 2 20 10 minus 7 3 320 correct 320 answer. So this is income and expense account. Now opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet. Liabilities amount, assets amount. First, receipt side balance amount is there. That is cash in hand. 280 rupees. Next, investments. So it is hidden point. See here, 7% per annum interest on investment, 7% per annum, 280 rupees. Nothing but suppose if you invest 100 rupees, you can get 7 rupees interest. Like that, you got 280 rupees interest. How much investment? So it is hidden point. 280 into 100 by 7. 7 4s are 28. 4 into 100, 4,000. 1400, 4,000 rupees. So like that you can get the investment value. See, if you invest 100 rupees, you can get 7 rupees interest. Like that you got interest 280 rupees. How much investments? So like that 280 into 100 by 7, 4,000 rupees. Next, subscription due. Subscription due 20 rupees starting amount. Subscription received in advance, it is liability. Subscriptions received in advance, this is liability, 40 rupees. Next, stock of medicines asset. Stock of medicines 400 rupees. Amount due to medicine supplier, it is liability. Amount due to medicine supplier. Medicine supplier 320. Value of equipment. Value of equipment 840. Value of building. Value of building 1600. Find the value. Capital. So 40, 20, 60. 60 plus 80. 140. 7, 8, 15, 19, 19 plus 2, 21, 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7,140. Total 7,140 minus 360, 80, 6780. This is balancing amount. Now closing balance sheet. So I will got this one. Closing balance sheet. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. First, capital. Capital amount 6780. 6780 minus deficit. Deficit we got here 320, 64, 6460. Now same way. Again, cash in hand. Cash in hand, payments at balance amount we can take 180 rupees. Here one amount, right? Donations. Donations capitalized 580. Okay. Now subscription due asset. But second line you can take 20 rupees. Subscription due 40 rupees. Subscription received in advance, that is liability. Subscriptions received in advance, liability 20 rupees. Stock of medicines. Stock of medicines 600 rupees. Amount due to medicine suppliers, liability. Amount due to medicine suppliers. Amount due to medicine suppliers 480. Value of equipment. Value of equipment 1200. Value of building. Value of building 1520. Investments. 2 times you can write. Investments you got 4000 rupees. That is. That's all. Find the total. 0, 10, 18, 24, 6, 10, 15, 7540. Yes, correct. Here 40, 1, 6, 12, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 5 to 7, 7540. So more than enough. I explained all problems up to 21st, only 1 or 2 sums, more problems, and nearly 30 about problems I have explained, including short answers. So if you have any doubts, personally call me. From tomorrow onwards, I will start revision. From each chapter, I will explain 1 or 2 important problems. Okay, all the best, students.